Hello kids, welcome to Kiddos TV. Today we are going to learn the alphabet words. Let us get started. A. A for axe. Axe. B. B for box. Box. C. C for cup. Cup. D. D for drum. Drum. E. E for ear. Ear. F. F for fan. Fan. G. G for guitar. Guitar. H. H for hen. Hen. I for ink. Ink. J. J for jet. Jet. K. K for kid. Kid. L. L for log. Log. M. M for mug. Mug. N. N for nut. Nut. O. O for ox. Ox. P. P for pan. Pan. Q. Q for queen. Queen. R. R for rug. Rug. S. S for socks. Socks. T. T for tap. Tap. U. U for urn. Urn. V. V for vulture. Vulture. W. W for wig. Wig. X. X for xylophone. Xylophone. Y. Y for yes. Yes. Z. Z for zipper. Zipper. Thank you kids for watching this. I hope you like it. Do like and subscribe. Bye bye.